Come all you lads and lassies and listen to me song. It's all about a young man, I won't detain you long. It's all about a young man, I'm going to tell you how. He lately came a-courting of the maid of the sweet brown owl. Said he, my pretty young thing, will you come along with me? We'll join our hands in wedlock bands and married we will be. We'll join our hands in wedlock band, you'll have my plighted vow, and I'll do my best endeavour for the maid of the sweet brown owl. Now this fair and fickle young thing, she knew not what to say. Her eyes did shine like diamond bright and merrily did play. She said, young man, your look subdue, for I'm not ready now, and I'll spend another season at the foot of the sweet brown owl. So say, my pretty young maid, how can you answer so? Look down on yonder valley where my crops do gently grow. Look down on yonder valley where my horse and man and plough are at their daily labour for the maid of the sweet brown owl. If they're at their daily labour, kind sir, it is not for me. I've heard of your behaviour, I have indeed, says she. There is an inn where you call in, I've heard the people say, where you rap and you call and you pay for all and go home at the break of day. If I rap and I call and I pay for all, the money is all me own. I'll never spend your fortune, for I hear that you have none. You thought you had me poor heart broken, speaking with me now, but I leave you where I found you, at the foot of the sweet brown owl.